Hello guys, welcome back to Trading for Beginners, and in this video I am going to talk about how can you check the records of your earning center into Bitget Wallet. So without any further ado, let's dive right into this exciting video. Now, in order to check that, you just simply have to open your Bitget Wallet application. And after opening the application, you will get to see this option of Earning Center. Just simply tap to Earning Center and then you will get to see this option of Record directly. Tap into that record option. And after going into here, you will get to see this ongoing and ended option. Just simply select the option which you would like to see. Then you can easily check your activity records of your earning center. I hope this video was informative for you. If yes, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel to never miss another update. Thank you for watching this video.